It's the day Umgidi Azande is back home safe and sound from initiation school. Lazarus betrays Ulwandle after he signs over his proxy, tells him that there's no place for him Ekusel. Uqhawe goes to tell Mawethu that Ulwandle is the mole. And Zethu leaves the Mabandla house, going back home noXolani. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Lazarus had Ulwandle come over to sign over the proxy back to him, and his proxy to him, and then wanted to know when is he starting Ekusela, only for Lazarus to tell him that there's no place for him Ekusela, there's no position for him waiting for him Ekusela. There was no way they could let him in after he killed Likamva. Imagine, after he signs over a proxy yakhe, he must be regretting why he betrayed his dad. And then Lazarus phones Zoleka telling her that it's done, and Uzoleka is worried though ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ke, especially ngoMawethu. Kanti uQhawe is going to do the unthinkable, goes to see Mawethu and tells him that Ulwandle is the mole. He's the one that has been feeding utatakhe nomamakhe information yase Zondo Tech because they promised him a position Ekusela. Umawethu couldn't believe it, but then uQhawe ruined it when she mentioned that Uphosha knew all along. Mawethu could not believe it because at first he was like, well, how would Ulwandle betray Utatake after getting a second chance like this? Now Ulwandle is busy replaying the whole thing. Lazarus said there's no position for him Ekusela. And now he almost even went back to alcohol, poured himself a glass of whiskey and spilled it. They want to go out to celebrate to a pallet. But he's not himself. Ngapha Zethu decided that she's living in Mabandla because Utumega is too much. They want to know the gender of her baby. They're just all over, man. They're not letting her enjoy pregnancy with that, making you feel like she's just a surrogate. Umntana wabo. I want the gender of my baby to be a surprise. It's her decision. Let's respect it. Uzethu then abona ukuthi yazini, this is not going to work. I appreciate you taking me in after my mom left to KZN, but I need to go and live alone because if I continue staying here, then we're going to burn our bridges. So like it won't end well. And says that she's going back home. Thank you for the support. Only for Xolani to come and fetch her. Xolani comes, grabs her bags. As I told you've already made your decision before even sitting us down at Xolani was like, grab the bags. They left at times. So Salakak. Whereas Xolani is like the villain in this whole story because why is he stepping in so much? And then Bakwa Mukana, they're busy preparing for Umgidi Azande. Lazarus arrives and Uzoleka is so happy to see umuntu wakhe back emakhaya because they've been there preparing noNceba. And then Tata Lazarus tells Lazarus, yes, we need to talk and like sort things out between us, man, after this whole ceremony, because lento enzakala between us needs to end. And then the men bahamba ke kuLando Azande. Unomfundisi is worried about umntanakhe. They come back no Azande. They look sad, man, ngathi khona into wrong, but then they've got initiate Azande. They take him to the kraal. Apparently he's supposed to sleep at the kraal with the men all night. He's only going to come back to the house the following day. They're busy going on giving speeches about how proud they are of him, that he's a man now. And then it's a day of Umgidi. They celebrate he's back home, he's fine. She's dancing and all. Everyone looks so beautiful. They are happy. And they celebrate his homecoming. Now, Umawethu talks to Umzala wakhe ukuthi yazini Sam, I can't believe Uphosha did this to me. Did not say anything. I could see the guilt in her eyes, but she never said anything. And then Uphosha msebenzini because it's like everyone knows ukuthi Umawethu is the mole and Uphosha knows the truth. But now, Sislo is like, I don't believe Usonjika could be the one that is betraying Ekusela. And then Uphosha gets a call from Mawethu saying that he wants to see her. Portia agrees that she will go and see him after work. Will this be the end of their relationship or Mawethu uzomxolela? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.